Welcome to YAAD TRODZ, where we trod round YAAD. Live, experience, explore, and discover Jamaica's attractions, lifestyle, and culture with me, Stacia Alicia. So, on today's episode, we will be showing part 2 of our farm tour at the Rastafari Herbal Gardens in the hills of Retrieve, Westmoreland. But before I show you all of that, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload a new episode. So let's get to touring 11 acres of farmland in the hills of Westmoreland. YAAD TRODZ, come make we trod.
This is the orange jackfruit.
Orange jackfruit.
Ooh, it's being picked.
Oh wow!
Put it down on the bench, and I'm gonna go for the second one of you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's that?
Oh,
It's over there.
You have that on camera, sir?
Have it on myself.
Oh,
I touch it on the drop. But you don't have to worry about anything except the seeds here. We can get a bash and just take, you don't have to worry that. The dogs will be. Or you can get a big calabash and we take up the seeds. Huh?
What is it called again?
The new spot.
And it fell on the ground, so bad news.
No, it's not on your stack. He probably was in the fruit eating while I touched it.
That was all bad news.
I literally, I touched it on the drop, man.
One picked and one fell because it was overripe, and so.
Actually, well ripe because
Well-ripe.
the picks are still good to eat.
Oh. So we're gonna salvage this one. So we're gonna taste this, Stacia. Stacia, you ever had jackfruit?
I've never had the orange jackfruit. You know?
You've had, so you know the other jackfruit, right? You've ever had it?
I've had I've had the seeds cooked,
Right?
and it tastes like yam.
Right. But you've never had the fruit, jackfruit. Like you
You
remember
know
what
stuff,
it is?
right? You
Yeah.
know stuff, right? Let's taste the
What's your
orange
nationality?
jackfruit.
What's your nationality?
Come.
I probably have had it before, but jackfruit are the best fruit ever.
Fair enough. Good.
Sweet.
Do you know that actually jackfruit, I don't know exactly which part, but I think it was the latex or the inside part was actually the first ingredient they make chewing gum from.
Oh!
I read that somewhere. If it's wrong, I'm not it. It's the wrong information I gave.
Nice.
You said you want more.
Please.
One for the cameraman.
The cameraman not so in love.
Oh,
Here you are. So yes guys, this is the orange jackfruit. The ones that we normally see in Kingston is the yellow variety.
so you have yellow jackfruit and orange jackfruit.
Well,
Okay.
this
The
is-
taste different?
It have not very much.
There are bigger differences between all the different yellow ones. And there are actually a lot more jackfruit in the world than that. They have some, I have one down in the gully that comes from the Philippines, and it is actually more bred for seeds. So the pecks are smaller, still nice to eat, but not such fat, big pecks. But there are about 300 seeds in each jackfruit, or even more. Yeah, a lot.
Ooh.
Overripe. No use.
Oh, it's over.
The only thing you see.
How would it have been if it wasn't overripe? White?
You're gonna see. We go open the next one now. But white and with an orange thing on the top. We still take that up for seeds.
Okay.
And we hope for better luck
In
on
this
this
one.
end.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, this is the
So-
orange.
Yes.
See the better part
Oh, it's
here.
that one. Nearly never.
And the flavor is very similar or the same to the pick. No, don't pick that one. There, the same one. One there for you.
No one should drop it now.
It's nice. Hard black seed.
And those seeds now they can cook. They're very nice in cooking, very nutritious. And so I would have to give this 2 ratings. But you actually had the seed already in the first meal when you come. It was in there.
Oh.
Yes, I added to stew, I added to sip, I added to seasoned rice, I added to my one pot.
So what you do? You dry it or just the same like this?
No, you don't dry it. You use them as fresh as possible. You can cook them whole. I cut them up, I shred them, and I do them very fine, like almost like how you grated a coconut. I do it on that side too, a little bit thicker, and it have different purpose and different thing. I hear in Mexico they use it as like how we have popcorn in the movie theater. They roast them and eat them, you know, in other movies. I tried it a few times. It's nice, and I always look at things too. You know, there's the taste buds that we like, sugar, fat, and all those things, and the nutrients. What would I do here when the world shut down and I'm in the jungle by myself?
You are right.
I would be.
Yes, you
And
would be.
you know, if you have nothing to do one time, I invite you, spend a month here in the jungle, we eat jungle food. You know, it's not how we eat. We go to the restaurant, oh yeah, it's this, but I can guarantee you every day your belly will be full and you will be nourished, and probably you'll be healthier after that month than when you came. You know, and it's friends like this that make it
and
possible.
going through the farm, that's an exercise in itself.
That's
Just
that's
keeps
the detox.
moving.
nature.
Yes.
You know, imagine the difference. You go to a gym, everybody push out their pollutions and you are breathing them stuff. And here you are by the
And
trees.
the air
The
is
air,
even.
everything.
It's nicer, cleaner.
Because you have nutrition, you have movement, you have the clean air and environment. You have
Because
human
for health,
interaction.
you know, you need exercise, you need nutrients, and you need rest.
Yes.
And when any one of them is out of balance, you will have those things creeping in. They call lifestyle diseases.
Yes.
Depending on what you do wrong, that will lick you.
Yeah.
And you know, I mean, I live in a community. They're talking about 100-year-olds. You know, grandparents reach that age, a regular
This
thing.
is why,
And
and
that
they're
was
not even.
before medicine come in and want to prevent us from getting sick with injection and all kind of stuff.
And when you're doing this, you know, it's not like you're thinking. You know, like when you're going to the gym, you're thinking, "Oh, I'm going to the gym to work." This is just life, your lifestyle.
Natural.
Yeah.
It's natural.
Yeah, man.
I call it like, I love to do it. Like I do my working hours in the morning, and I love to do my conscious walk in the afternoon. Where, you know, I might pick up a tool and just go for a walk and look and observe, and maybe still do some work. But when you carry your land, it's not like you're working. You know, and then you sweat up and you go get a shower and you know.
In the open.
Yes. Open.
See how nature do them well?
So you can imagine 1 month here, Stacia. You'll be swinging from tree to tree.
And climbing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rope climbing. Alright, cool. Which way we're going to go now, Thomas?
we're going back up, but I'm going to look for the stick first. Contrary to popular belief, farm work is not for idiots.
You know, all a bunch here with the 4 can pick 2.
I was thinking the one for 3, one for Chris, one for Stacia, and one for me.
Oh, that work? That no, that oh, you do the calculation.
That don't suit you?
No.
Okay.
What kind of calculation that time?
I get wrong information then from my brain. This one here?
Yeah, cut those.
I'm gonna see one first, and then we see. If it's good, we pick more, and otherwise we go to the next one. See? This is the totally wrong tool to pick here.
You use the next side of the stick and drip it up. That's what you do. Or the next side I use.
You're gonna see that's the next problem. I'm not sure it's kind of rotten.
You just drip that up in the stem part and then just.
You wanna show me how?
You know when you're not doing the work, you don't offer everything, right?
That would more be you in the kitchen.
Thomas.
Yes, I supervise it.
These are the blooper. Yeah, right
Come
there.
step a bit closer.
Make it look
Hey, no!
You're not gonna catch it?
No, you Thomas.
That drop it on the road, go in.
It's a good one.
It's a go alright. Let me just put enough more on something. See it there? It's a go alright.
Alright, we're gonna cut that one first and see how it looks.
Check here.
This looks like a hard coconut to me.
In the hard, Thomas.
You know now why I don't pick jelly, don't?
It still can drink, man. Come. Jelly, man, Thomas. You tell you?
Jelly.
Jelly! Hey!
Thank you. Jeez! Years! Thomas? Go there from about last week. I asked one jelly. And I'll know. Just get it.
Your reservation was for exotic fruit.
So them say
Look how
this
you're wasting now.
is you chop it wrong.
Sorry about that, miss.
Nice.
It's sweet. Oh God, this nice, man.
So pick some more of this one.
Yeah.
Cause Stacia want and Chris want. I don't know about you. I drink jelly.
You so thief yours.
How you know when it ripe, when it mature, Paddy? How you know when the jelly mature?
It's big, a joke.
Ooh, one gone. One
It's
gone.
You see it? About roughly where it is?
Near to that next
Near
coconut
to the
tree.
That gone too. Oh gosh, that gone.
Same place.
So. Three supposed to be around, don't?
Yeah, one right here. One went
When you
down.
say right here, where? In here? Okay, cool. That one is fine.
So one for me, one for Chris, one for Stacia.
One for you. Yeah,
One's
trouble.
gonna get licked when we come back.
Yeah, trouble, trouble.
You can stop film now, like open up my face with the camera.
All of that should have got in there, so stay there.
Stacia?
Yeah, the trust. Come back with trust.
I think it's near the next coconut tree. No?
Fine.
Alright.
That's one. The other one is this
I
over
see
this
the other
side.
one, two, I think. Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Why that's so nice?
Yeah, man, I saw it so nice. Orgasmic. Mmm. This is really good, Thomas. Alright, don't know. Alright, let's see how this thing tastes.
This one looks well, right?
As a matter of fact, the tasting won't happen here. But we're gonna
That's
pick
fine.
one for fruit, this one, and we're gonna pick one for cooking.
Oh.
Yeah. This one up there. You see, we are a bit late because I see two of them already that eat out. There was one of them. One is up there. You see the hole in it?
Yeah, I see the hole.
That's right.
Ooh.
This one really works for us.
Yeah.
Wow. The vine looks like a yam vine though.
Yeah, and you know, this is actually something you can kind of cut it by a joint and stick it and you catch back and you have an extra.
Oh.
It's 10 times faster than waiting
I'm
for the
waiting to
seed.
see.
This one looks okay.
This one is for, you know what I wanted to show you, this one up there. You see
Right.
how the
Oh,
insects
yeah.
go eat it out? The fruit bat or the rat. Can you capture it?
Yeah, bat and rat.
No.
Them-
You see that?
they're vegetarian. I just say.
Go right to the end of the stick.
The rats and the bats eat out the fruits.
This one over there too. But that's something that makes me actually proud, you know, when I see that nature likes what I do. I feel like I really have a purpose here, you know. It's not just like taking up space.
That's what enough people do. Take up space.
Let me see it. Look here. Have it. This. Oh, this.
So who's gonna carry that one?
Oh,
This one will be fully ripe soon.
which one?
This one.
But this one.
This one we're gonna cook.
Cook. Okay.
They can cook like so. This would also ripen, but we can also give you a taste in cooking. This one will definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Banana flower. They call this one, I think that, I'm not sure, but I think they call this walking lily. It's, you see, look, every time it shoots, it's like a 2 foot away, and then you see the next plant here, and they grow underground and shoot up. And it's not really invasive, but it still do its thing. But this needs a lot of work here. Yeah, go this way. Yeah.
Thanks for watching another YAAD TRODZ episode. Comment and let me know if you have ever seen, heard about or tasted the orange jackfruit, the orange ice cream bean, or the Grandidilla. I know most of you would have already seen and tasted coconut, so I'm asking about the other 3 fruits Comment and let me know if you have seen, heard about, or tasted the Grandidilla, the orange ice cream bean, or the orange jackfruit. Now, I know I had said that this was going to be a 2-part farm tour, but we have so much more to show you. So I am thinking that we'll be having a part 3, a part 4, and maybe even a part 5. But let's see how that goes. But anyway, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload a new episode. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of our exotic fruit farm tour. YAAD TRODZ, come make we trod.